Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we will read the essay Eidul Azha. This essay is for primary classes. Let's start. Eidul Azha is the religious festival of Muslims. It is celebrated on 10th Zilhajj of Islamic month. Eidul Azha is also named as Bakra Eid. It lasts for 3 days. Muslims offer prayer in the morning. Muslims sacrifice their animals like goats, sheep, and cows. Muslims sacrifice their animals in the remembrance of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. The meat of animals is distributed among poor and helpless people. Special dishes are prepared and served to the family. This Eid gives us the lesson to sacrifice everything for Allah. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.